So here we have a 2025 Nissan Pathfinder, and we're going to get it wired and ready for the install of an electric brake controller harness. So we got to remove, normally these plugins are accessible from underneath the dash, but on this particular model it's hidden up here, so we got to remove some panels to get to it. So with some trim piece pry bars, we can get this off. Okay, so once we get the side trim off, we're gonna pry off this front piece here. We're gonna try and drop that down. Almost there. There we go. Perfect. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna grab a light. You can see in there. Okay, so you can see there's this hockey tape right here holding up this the harness part that we have to take off. So we'll just have to pull off the tape. We'll free it up, and then we can plug in our electric brake controller. So we're just gonna cut this hockey tape, or something that looks like hockey tape. There we go. There we go. So we freed, with the hockey tape, we freed it all up, and this is the brake harness jumper. We're going to plug in our electric brake controller harness to that. Okay, and I'll just show you an example. So here's like an example of electric brake controller for electric trailer brakes, and this is the part that connects to a Nissan, and all Nissan vehicles are using the same plug. Doesn't matter which one you're using, even Infinity, they're all the same. So in reality, this would go into here, and we're all set to go. Then this part plugs into your specific brake controller device. So now we could worry about making it look pretty and passing this from the back. So we'll work on that now. Okay, so this is it. We're gonna plug that in. There. Okay, and we'll pass this excess wire behind the panel, and it'll drop down to our feet. Yeah, it's better over here. I can see. So now we put back all our panels. We fed the brake controller plug down here through the back, so it's not hanging in our feet. Okay. And then we just can simply plug this in together, and now we're going to look to maybe mount this nicely over here so it's out of the way when we're driving and with an easy access. So our bracket's mounted. We're going to mount the controller, and we'll plug it in there. All done. All done. So this is in how to install the electric brake controller on a 2025 Nissan Pathfinder. This is equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 engine, 9-speed automatic transmission, and it's rated to tow 6,000 pounds. So we'll be getting ready for the summer towing season. Thanks for watching.